Hello there, folks. This is old Chainsawbob out for a late Sunday afternoon ride. Trying to keep from getting rained on here. Maybe we will. I don't know. Hope so. Anyway, off we go. Where we start out this ride today is from the parking lot of the school that I went to when I was a young man, 1st grade through the 5th grade. Such a long time ago. Started the school there in 1946. Went there through 1951. And I just went by the house I kind of grew up in, and I think I'll just ride up there and go by again, because I was kind of surprised and kind of sad about what I found there. But life goes on, and we'll just go up there and see what we can see. About a mile up here. The road I used to walk back and forth to school on when I was a little kid. It was all dirt back then, though. Life just keeps on changing for people. You don't realize it right at first, but nothing ever stays the same. And the house I grew up in, let's see if we can sneak over here, has just been tore down. There's where it used to be. What about that? How sad. How sad. That, of course, it doesn't belong to any of us anymore that live there, but the last time I went by, the house looked pretty bad shape, and I'm not surprised that they took it down. If they didn't take it down, it would have been falling down sooner or later. There's getting to be less and less things that are still here that were here when I was a kid. Boy, there's some dark skies back in there. Maybe I ought to be going the other way. I don't know. Well, we'll go down this way a little ways and see what we find. This is the road down to Epworth, Georgia. That was where I started out this video at, the old school, where the schoolhouse used to be at Epworth, Georgia, and the parking lot that's there now instead of the school. I posted a funny little thing on Facebook today that I'll tell you. Not political, of course. But the thing I said in there was I asked my doctor when all this virus business was going to be over. And my doctor said, well, I don't know. I'm just a doctor, not a politician. And I think, I don't care which party you belong to, that you're beginning to believe that, you know. Sure seems strange. But, I guess that's just the way life is. One strange thing after another. Boy, it sure is nice to be out for a ride. We're cruising along here at about 50 miles an hour. Putting along. I don't know about that cloud though. That cloud looks pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. Yeah, maybe we'll be okay. We ain't got that much further to go now. A couple of miles, 2.5 miles maybe. After been riding for 69 years this summer, yeah, 69 years ago this summer, 1951 when I first started riding a motorcycle. I've been wet a time or two when I was out riding a motorcycle. You gotta believe that. Well, I don't know. I'm getting pretty close to being under that cloud there. If I get it wet out here today, I'm gonna blame it on all you folks that watch my videos, because I'm out here trying to make a video for you. That's why I got wet. It ain't my fault, it's your fault. Air should have cooled down some. Must be 8 or 9 degrees colder than when I started out. Feels pretty good. Here's the sunshine. Maybe we can stay in this sunshine. Georgia is certainly a beautiful state. At least this part of it is. I'll confess I really don't care much of Georgia south of Atlanta, because I don't care for Atlanta very much either, to tell you the truth. It's a dangerous place to be around. It's a dangerous place to drive your car through. If you don't get wrecked, you're likely to get shot, one or the other, just driving through that town. At least that's my opinion of it. Crazy people live down there. Well, it's still a great afternoon for a ride. I haven't got wet yet. So I was hoping I'm not going to get wet. I do see blue skies up there. River. And when it passes into the next state, which is Tennessee, because this river flows north, and it passes into Tennessee, it becomes the Ocoee River up there. Looks like it's about waist deep there, or almost waist deep out there where that guy is. There goes some kayakers down through there. See which way they're going to go here. We'll just relax here for a minute. One guy's going to go over that little rock falls there, I guess you'd call it, looks like. No, I guess it's not. That's just the shadow of that old bridge up there. There comes that's a lady there, looks like. Or it could be a man wearing a halter top, who knows, nowadays, you know. Anyhow, I guess we'll just head on up the road here. Oh, there's a bunch of them coming over there. I don't know whether you can see them or not. Anyway. This is our railroad track here between Blue Ridge and McKaysville. Gets used a couple times a day for the tourist train.